Now I will have another train set, but this time it's elevated. The track is elevated, nice and elevated. For your viewing pleasure, my viewers. So now the train is going around. So I've set up a lot of things so that it could be elevated. Just straight elevated. Remember what I said about the cargo train in my other videos? Well, this is one of the cargo trains. Same one, same engine. And if you're thinking that all the cars are just moving by themselves, well, you're wrong. Because the engine is the molding of the train. If there was no engine, the train wouldn't move. Like, say you had a type of train just like this. It was larger. Then if you didn't have the engine, the cars can't move. But back then they had sorry about that. They had a coal car. So I have the coal car here. The coal car is what helps me. It has a nice part that helps me connect connect to the engine. So can you see the couplers? Well, you'll see the couplers nice and big on regular trains. You'll see couplers just like this. Want me to speed it up? If that, I'll take it as a yes. But if you say no, well, sucks for you. And sometimes this train can actually catch sparks. So beware of that. I'll show you how I can use sparks. How I can make it spark. Hold on. Just let me so I can. You don't see it yet. You don't see the sparks. I'm pretty sure you don't see the sparks yet. But the sparks. Oh, I found the spark right there. Well, sorry about that. Well, if you saw the spark, well, good for you. But if you didn't, well, still sucks for you. Well, I'm sorry if you didn't see it. I'm sorry that some of you couldn't see it, but on the bright side, at least the train's still moving. Whoa! Sorry about that next one. There's a problem with the train. The train just stopped by itself. Let me see what's wrong with it. Seems that the engine wheel and the coal wheel, they're acting up a little. That's what it seems like, but now it's not moving. I just found the spark. Hey, look at the train not moving. My train was good a minute ago, but sorry about that. I don't know why my train stopped because it was good a couple of seconds ago. Let me check. Let's see. Hey. Sorry about this. Because I don't know why my train is not moving correctly. It's not going to its full potential. I just have to drive it by myself so I can get it to power switch so my train can get power. Hold on. So sorry. So sorry. I'm sorry this video might be a little bit of a mess. I found the spark. Sorry, the train's still not moving, but I have the controller on. See that red dot? That tells you that the controller is on. Let's see. Oh, it works backwards. Now it's running again. I'll show you what it looks like from above.